I'll do rumba first. Box step. Half a box. A basic. Outside the lady, see that is outside. And a basic. Side, that is side. And a basic. Get out of the way. That is get out of the way. This is not get out of the way. That is. Out of the way. Drop your hands. Cross in front. And a basic. And cross to the back. And a basic. I will let go of her. I will turn. She will wait. She will turn. And I'll get back in dance position, and I can do everything again except for the box step. Okay? ChaCha is all the same stuff. Do you want to see it? I guess that's a yes. Come here. So you're in dance position. ChaCha. Outside. So you see what just happened, right? Okay. So she fought with me a little bit, but I can fix her. She tried, and I fixed her. So God, at this moment, you wouldn't do that. You wouldn't be able to do that until you really can do it as a guy. You know what I mean? So where are you gonna go? I'm gonna step outside of her. And basic. Sideways, side, and a basic. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. Put your hands down. Cross in front. Hey, come with me. And basic. And to the back. And basic. I will let go, which sets me up turning. She will wait. She turns. Get back in dance position, and I can do it all again outside.